Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Akilah, also known as Kilahmazing, and today I'm coming at you guys with a video all about how I style my head wraps. Whenever I wear a head wrap, I like to add a little, a little steez, a little flav. So this video is brought to you by Poshmark. For those of you who are not familiar with Poshmark, it is an online marketplace in which you can buy and sell gently used clothing. I've used Poshmark in the past and it's bomb. Buying and selling on Poshmark is super duper easy. You can literally use your phone, take pictures of the clothing items that you want to get rid of and upload them straight from your phone, and it's even easier to shop. And they also have tons of high-end brands to choose from: Nike, Michael Kors, Louis Vuitton, Adidas. I'm actually selling an Adidas sweatshirt. Here is my closet right here. I have quite a few items for you guys to check out. Everything will be super affordable, super cheap, because girl, I got you. If you're interested in shopping my closet, be sure to download Poshmark. The link for my closet will be down below. But anyways, if you guys want to see how I style my head wraps, then continue watching.
Wait till it get you on the floor good looking. Hey, going hot so hot, just like an oven. And I'll burn myself, I just had to touch it. But it's so fine, and it's all mine, hey baby. And we don't mind all the watching, cause if it's dirty close, real close, they might learn something. She ain't nothing but a little loosey when she does it. She's so fine tonight. And as long as I got my suit and tie, I'ma leave it all on the floor tonight. And you got mixed up too tonight, so let me show you a few things. All dressed up in black and white, and you're dressed in that dress I like. I've been swinging in the air tonight. Let me show you a few things. Show you a few things. Show you a few things about love. Now we're in the swing of love. Let me show you a few things. Show you a few things about love. Hey, stop. Let me get a good look at it. Ooh, so thick. Now I know what they call me, daddy. Oh, she's so sick, gotta hit and pick up a habit. That's alright, cause you're all mine. Oh, you call daddy. I guess they're just mad cause they wish they had it. Ooh, my killer, my pillow. Yeah, you're a classic. And you're all mine tonight. And as long as I got my suit and tie, I'ma leave it all on the floor tonight. And you got fixed up too tonight, so let me show you a few things. All dressed up in black and white, and you're dressed in that dress I like. I've been swinging in the air tonight, let me show you a few things. Show you a few things. Show you a few things about love. Now we're in the swing of life. Let me show you a few things. Show you a few things about love.
All black at the white shows. White shoes with the black shows. Green car for the Cuban links. Got to sit back and enjoy the light show. Nothing exceeds like a sex. Style got from having the best of the best. This what it's all about. I'm at the rest. The bump, my rent is stepping together. Tears with the stress. Tears on the dress. Try to hide the face with some makeup sex. This is trouble season. Time for tuxedos for no reason. All saints for my angel. Alexander Wang too. Ass-tight denim and some dunks. Show you how to do this, y'all. No papers, catch papers, get high. No favors, say no devils ain't looking for trouble. You just got good genes, so a nigga tryna cover.
Thank y'all for watching. Be sure to use the link in my description to download Poshmark. Then also drop me a comment down below letting me know which one of these outfits was your favorite. Bye y'all.